What's up all my fine girls? No pimple is Whit here again with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my most complimented perfumes. Listen, I love perfume, and I mean, who doesn't love perfume, okay? I love smelling good, and I love when people compliment me on my perfume. So today I'm going to show you guys just that, okay? So the first one that I have here is going to be the Misty or their Eau de Parfum. This is the most recent version. So from what I've heard, they changed this like scent periodically, I guess. I have the most recent version, and I have the, what size is this? This has to be, yeah, the 3.4 fluid ounce. You guys, I really enjoy wearing this to bed too because I love smelling it. It smells so good. This is a very just sweet, girly type of perfume. I absolutely love the way this perfume smells, and it definitely brings in some compliments, okay? So if you're looking for just a nice, classy, sweet, feminine, sensual, girly, all of that, right? Look into the Misty Or. I know a lot of people love like the older one, I guess the scent they had prior. I really don't remember what that one smelled like, but this new one, I definitely like this new scent right here. And I have the Eau de Parfum Misty Or. And as you guys can see, I have made quite a dent in that. Like y'all, this perfume smells good. Okay, next up I have here, this is the Moschino, their Gold Fresh right here. This to me is like a clean, but also like sexy smell. Like, I don't know, I guess because the bottle, it definitely looks like, oh, this is definitely gonna be a super clean perfume where it just smells like, you know, laundry or just something just really clean. No, there's also like a nice sensual to it, if that makes sense. I'm not explaining, but it smells good, okay? It definitely doesn't smell like what I thought it would smell like, if that makes sense. But this definitely gives the compliments, okay? I feel like it has its longevity, like, you know, I feel like wear time, probably like 4 to 5 hours. It lingers on me. I definitely can smell it. This is a 3.4 fluid ounce one, and the bottle, you have to pop it off. I feel like I'm getting low, or it's running. I really wish I could see how much I have left here, because I definitely like spraying this a lot. Like, I spray heavy, and it comes out really like a lot, like ooh, but yeah, it definitely comes out a little more in your face. Or like in my eye. All right, so the next one I have here is the Mancera Amber Fever. As you guys can see, you guys are gonna see dents in my bottles. Like, I actually use my stuff. And this is what this one looks like. So to me, okay, I feel like this can go either two ways for you, okay? You can sniff it and initially love it or hate it, and then you spray it on your hand and you find that you like it. A friend of mine, she cannot stand the smell when she smells like this. She feels like it smells like popcorn. But when she sprays it on her hand, she's like, it's so much different. She's like, why is it so different? I'm like, body chemistry, girl. I don't know, but she loves the way it smells on her. But anyways, you guys, this right here for me is just such a beautiful scent. Definitely gonna get compliments. I feel like you should definitely give it a try. If you like ambery perfumes, this is definitely a great option to go with. I feel like it smells so good to me, like, okay, and the compliments are gonna roll in. I like to spray this heavy. So this is what I do. Let me show you guys what I do. This is a little tip if you want to get your perfume to like even project even more and last longer. So what I do is I take, this is the Eucerin, this is their advanced repair cream. You can take any unscented lotion, right? Let me show y'all right here. I take the lotion. I'm gonna give y'all a little tip right now, okay? And then I take the perfume and I spray it into there, give it a couple of pumps, roll that on around, and I put this all over me, and then I follow up with spraying. Now, Mancera, you don't have to overspray with Mancera because it definitely has great projection, but I love to be drowned in my perfume, okay? I love to be able to smell myself, and I want everybody to smell me, okay? Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. Anyways, this right here, Amber Fever, okay, by Mancera, is amazing. Definitely try it out. But that is a technique, okay? If you want your perfume, if you have perfumes that you really love the scent, but they don't have great longevity sometimes, try that, okay? Get an unscented lotion, spray your perfume in there, rub it all over. That's what I do, okay? So next up on the list, okay, is going to be, this right here is an OG, okay? This is the Versace. This is the Versace, their Yellow Diamonds. Now this bottle looks a little unused because I actually just, I replaced it like last year. So, and from last year, I kind of got more into perfumes and I've been buying a whole lot more. So I just haven't really gotten around to using this, but you guys, I used this for years before I finished my first bottle. It is a compliment getter. It has great longevity. Honestly, I had I went somewhere in Houston, like I went out with my friends, and the waiter, she had this perfume on. I was like, girl, like she smells so good. So I eventually asked her, I was like, what do you have on? She was like, Yellow Diamonds. I was like, I own that perfume. And I was like, something about that smelled familiar, but I just could not put my hands on it. This right here, the compliments are gonna come. This is a go-getter. This right here is a beautiful, just what's the word I'm even looking for this? Because I feel like I keep saying beautiful. Something about this is very grown, okay? I like a grown but still sweet type of perfume. Now this isn't really sweet, but there's something very just like, yeah, she got her stuff together. This perfume smells amazing, and I had to have another one once I finished my first bottle. I was like, gotta buy another one. Okay, next up on the list is going to be Nichoné's Eau de Parfum, and as you guys can see, I have made quite a dent in this perfume. This is actually an extrait de parfum, not an eau de parfum, sorry. Extrait de parfum. When I say, just do a 1, 2, 3, even though I'm gonna overspray it. And I really actually with this one, I kind of have to not overspray, okay? Because it could become overwhelming. This right here, give yourself a couple of sprays and it is going to power through the entire night. It's going to be the next morning. This is a very different scent. Most people do not smell like this. I know a lot of perfumes out there, they smell like similar things. You know, people can put their nose on it like, oh, is that this? Most people are not gonna guess this. Ani is a beautiful scent. This is something that I definitely don't recommend you blind buying, okay? Because it can either be you love it or you hate it. But for me, I love this, the way this smells, okay? It is a gorgeous, gorgeous scent, and it definitely brings in the compliment. It's definitely unique and different. And sometimes I like to, you know, have that mass appealing scent. And then sometimes, you know, I want to smell a little different. Like, girl, what is it? Like, I've never smelled that before. Well, let me tell you. So yeah, that's Ani. Okay, so you know at this point, we cannot do a video like this and not talk about the girl, okay? That girl. And that is going to be the Baccarat. Oh, I didn't even have the right side. The Baccarat, Baccarat Rouge 540. As you guys can see, I have made a dent in mine. I'm already planning that by the end of this year, this bottle will be gone because at the rate that I use this, and it just comes out so large, to kind of like that Moschino perfume I was showing you guys. So yeah, this perfume smells amazing. It's definitely for me a classic scent. Like, it's a timeless scent. I feel like it can go for any occasion, any time period, any person. Like, it doesn't matter age. Like, you know how some people like to say, oh, this is like very, very kiddish, very, very, you know, teenish, very, very oldish. No, okay? Not with Baccarat. I feel like anybody, any age can wear this. It literally fits all age ranges. Also, I've told you guys before, okay? Listen, a lot of people want to buy this perfume if you don't have it, but it's really expensive, okay? Do not go to a department store and buy this. Go onto the Francis Kirk de Jean's website and buy it. Now they got a little smart, okay? They got a little smart, and they created a US website. So I'll put on there, you know, just to confirm, you know, the price is still the same. And it said, would you like to shop on the US website? I was like, oh yeah, sure, cool. You know, I mean, it'll be in dollars, so it's easier for me to see the number. Y'all, they took me to the US website and it was the price that they're selling it for here in America, $325. No, okay? When you want to shop him, okay, make sure you stay on the UK website and you pay for your stuff in euros and let PayPal or whatever do the convert, let your bank convert the money for you. Do not buy it from the US website because you're going to pay full price what they're charging us here in America. Buy it from the Francis Kirk de Jean website, the UK version. It's like $100 something cheaper. Please save your money because this perfume is not cheap. Okay, so save your money. And I have another MFK perfume, and that is going to be the Oud Satin Mood, their Extrait Perfume. Now for me, I have found that when I spray this perfume, I only like to wear it at nighttime because it just gives me nighttime vibes. Like the bottle, you know, just screams nighttime, it's all dark and stretchy. But this is a very sweet, sensual perfume. Like, that's literally the best way to explain this. Whatever you think oud smells like, because I thought oud smelled like something dirty and I was have to, you know, adjust to the smell. That's not this, okay? This shocked me. Like, if you are unsure of oud, or if you are trying to find a way to ease yourself into oud, definitely give this a try. This perfume smells so good. It has great longevity. You're gonna get compliments. I went out to dinner for my birthday. Literally, the waiter, he was sniffing me up and down. He was like, you smell good, girl. I went, like, anytime I go out with this, I promise you, like, literally, people are complimenting, like, girl, what do you have on? Okay, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that, because when I say, y'all be You be gassing my head up, okay? You be gassing my head up. If you tell me I smell good and you start asking me, that right there is a compliment to me, okay? That is a compliment to me when somebody tells me I smell good and they want to know what perfume I have on. And I'm gonna tell you, because, you know, I ain't no hater, I ain't no gatekeeper. I'm gonna tell you the perfume that I got on. We can all smell good together. But yes, Oud Satin Mood, definitely a compliment getter. Smells great. Next up, this right here, I love this perfume, okay? This perfume gets you the compliment, okay? This perfume smells like wealth, luxury. Do you wanna know what it is? That is the Christian Dior, Gris Dior. This is their private line. This is the 4.25 ounce. They do have the larger 8 ounce bottles. Those are like $100 more. It makes more sense to kind of buy that because you get double the size, you just pay another 100. I think this normally is $385 and those bottles are $485. So it's kind of like $385 for this size or just pay another amount. But for me, it is gonna take me a while to finish a 4 ounce bottle of perfume. But let's talk about the way this smells. Like, I like wearing this to like brunch, lunch. Like when I wanna just be sophisticated, elegant, like I just want that vibe. This perfume just does just that for me because that's what this perfume reminds me of. It reminds me of a woman who just, she's so elegant, like just luxurious, you know, and it's the humble type of wealth. You know, they're not showy, but you know, I know she got money. She looks so well put together. I know that's designer here, you know, but it's one of those, like it's such a beautiful scent. And I've literally gotten compliments on this. I went out to brunch and I was just standing there waiting for them to, you know, seat me, whatever. And the girl next to me, she was just like, you know, what perfume do you have on? And I was just like, let me show you, because I mean, usually just saying it out loud, most people aren't gonna get it. I really am not a gatekeeper, okay? If you ask me what perfume I have on, I'm gonna show you, and you know, if it's something that, you know, most people are not gonna understand the way it sounds, like you have to spell it out, because Gris Dior, you're gonna think G-R-E-E or whatever. So I showed her the picture and everything. She's like, oh, okay, thank you. I'm like, yeah, I want everybody to smell good. But anyways, I have one more perfume here, and that is going to be none other than Delina exclusive. Okay, you cannot make a video and not talk about the palette. This not palette, child. I just finished making a video talking about eyeshadow palettes. You cannot make a video and not talk about this perfume. Okay, this perfume right here is gorgeous. Oh, y'all, I can see how much I've used. I'm like right here. I gotta chill. This is not a cheap bottle of perfume, okay? Perfume is a very, very expensive habit to have, okay? So I have to stop myself. But also, I will say that when it comes to my perfumes, I have not bought any perfumes since the end of February, or was it March? I don't even know. No, it had to be February. It had to be February, yeah, end of February. And I've just been wanting to use up the stuff that I have. That's why you guys see dents in my perfumes. I use them day to day. I spray them, you know, because I really want to wear them. You know, I want people to smell them. I spend all this money on them. I don't want to just hoarding and just buying more stuff. But anyways, back to Delina. You guys, I love this perfume. It smells so good. This for me is a scent that I find that I like to wear it more daytime-ish. I don't really want to wear this at nighttime. To me, it gives, because there's something about this that smells like powdery and tart at the same time. So it gives me more daytime vibes. Like if I'm thinking of evening, I don't typically want to grab this and wear it, but I absolutely love the way this perfume smells. You see talked about in so many people's videos. If you have not had a chance to smell this, please smell it. And this is the exclusive version. I think this smells better than the original Delina. You know, to each his own. Some people like Delina more than Delina exclusive. I think this smells better and I love this. This right here, pretty much all these perfumes I mentioned are definitely repeats. Like I have to have them in my collection at all times because I love them so much. But anyways, that is that with today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below your most complimented perfumes. And yeah, until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.